Okay, so I'm here with Donna. Donna, tell us a bit about yourself.
Hey Mark, it's good to see you at Convergence. So I'm Donna Edwards. I'm a Microsoft Dynamics CRM MVP. I was initially awarded in 2009. Been fortunate enough to be awarded, every year since then, and looking forward to continuing that. My passion is Microsoft Dynamics CRM, of course, and community.
Excellent. What organization do you work for at the moment?
So I'm with Hitachi Solutions right now. I'm an architect for Hitachi Solutions, and we're doing some great things over there.
So Donna, tell us, why do you come along to Convergence?
So I come to Convergence to connect with the people that I deal with all year long and interact with. I like catching up with people, meeting them, talking to them, helping them with their Dynamics CRM questions.
Excellent. So if a partner was considering coming along to this event, what would your recommendation to them be?
Oh, absolutely. You've got to come to Convergence. Convergence is the event of the year.
Yeah. So CRM 2013, what do you like?
What's not to like? I mean, it's the user experience for CRM 2013 is pretty amazing, right? So we no longer have all these windows popping everywhere. We can quickly get to other entities. We have business process flows, business logic, so you can actually, put what used to be JavaScript that was only, available to people that were somewhat developers at least. Now you can drive that down into the hands of the system administrator. You have sync workflows. I mean, the list is long, and what's coming out for the spring preview is pretty amazing.
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah. So you're a Dynamics CRM MVP. Tell us a bit about the benefits you get out of being in that program.
So as a Dynamics CRM MVP, we get to interact with the Microsoft product people. We get to influence the product. We get to talk to them about what we're hearing in the fields. We get to be the voice of our clients to try to drive change in the product.
Yeah. Fantastic. And if you had a recommendation to somebody aspiring to become an MVP, what would it be?
If you have a passion for Dynamics CRM and you have a passion for the community, you will become a Microsoft Dynamics CRM MVP.
Yeah. Fantastic. And in closing, Donna, is there anything you'd like to add?
Peace out.
Sweet. Cheers. Thank you.